Alright, time for the next video of the bicycle camper. So today I got the mirrors installed so I can see and I can drive. I got all the solar panels done up on the roof. Now let's go inside, let's take a look. Got the microwave installed. Kitchen counter. I still have to install the sink yet. Got the couch. The couch flips up to reveal the storage underneath the bed. Then I come in, have a seat. I got my desk. Some more storage down here. This is the panel. Turns on the fan, turns on the electrical. If I move this, this is where I got all my electrical. Down in here. Turn this on. This is the 1000-watt pure sine wave inverter. That powers up the microwave. There you go, turn that off. The backs of the beds. The back of the bed, it comes down to turn the sofa into a full-size bed. The one behind here goes where I'm sitting. Anyways, stay tuned for more. Well, I'm pretty much done. I just got to install the sink. Thanks, bye.